Have you ever wondered where to begin your sewing journey? Well, ponder no more, as today we're revealing 10 beginner-friendly sewing projects. Kicking off our list are scrunchies. These fashionable hair accessories are straightforward to make, requiring just some fabric, elastic, and a sewing machine. Next in line are fabric headbands. Adding a dash of color to any outfit, these headbands can be tailored to mirror your personal style. Switching gears to a more practical project, consider crafting your own cloth napkins. These eco-friendly essentials, perfect for daily usage, can be washed and reused, reducing waste. Moving on to pot holders, another beginner-friendly project. Not only are they a fun way to practice sewing, but they also make perfect gifts. Fabric baskets, the versatile organizer, is our next stop. Ideal for arranging small items around the house, fabric baskets can be personalized with various fabrics and patterns. In the spirit of sustainability, why not sew your own reusable produce bags? These easy-to-make bags are a significant step towards reducing plastic waste from your shopping routine. Fabric keychains, a small touch of personality for your keys. Quick and easy to make, these can be customized with different colors and embellishments. If home decor is your thing, consider sewing simple curtains. An excellent project for beginners that can instantly transform any room. For the bibliophiles out there, fabric bookmarks are the way to go. These fun, practical projects make great gifts and are a creative way to use up fabric scraps. Finally, fabric envelope pouches, perfect for storing small items like coins, cards, or makeup. Customize them with different closure options to suit your needs. So there you have it. 10 beginner-friendly sewing projects to kickstart your creative journey. From fashionable accessories to practical everyday items, there's something for everyone. Remember, all it takes is some fabric, a sewing machine, and a dash of creativity. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more sewing tutorials and creative ideas. Until next time, happy sewing!